YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here with another week of March. We just finished on the 13th, so we're going to be starting with the 14th, and we are going to be going forward, writing out the scriptures. So this will be the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th of March, 18th, 19th, and 20th of March. And we will get these pages decorated with the scripture and with some little background stuff, whatever that'll be. Stamps, stickers, drawings, whatever. Scribble, doodles, whatever. And this doesn't want to cover up my words. And of course, as I always do, I put it on fast forward as I stamp out everything and get everything ready and prepped. I'm going to stamp March up here. And then you will see me write out the scriptures, and I will come back and show you what I have decided to do for the month of March, the rest of this week. So I will be back in just a second. So, my camera went dead on me. Didn't know it while I was videotaping, so you missed some of the recording of it, but that's okay. I'm going to read to you what I wrote, and we can go from there. So, the second week of the 14th through the 20th, what we have here, all the scriptures and what I wrote. And of course, we were in the book of Joshua, and we ended up in Judges, because that's Joshua. We finished this week. So on the 14th, Joshua 10:26 says, and afterward Joshua smote them and slew them and hanged the hanged them on 5 trees, and they were hanging upon the trees until the evening. And I'm supposed to put my little noose right here. And then Joshua 15:14 says, and Caleb drove them thence the 3 sons of Anak, Sheshai, Ahiman, and Talmai, the children of Anak, the giants, basically. That was 15:14. And then Joshua 18:5, and they shall divide into 7 parts. Judah shall abide in the coast of the south, and the house of Joseph shall abide in the coast of the north. Excuse me. And then we have here Joshua 19:51. It says, these are the heritage which Eleazar the priest and Joshua the son of Nun, the heads of the fathers of the tribes of the children of Israel, divided for an inheritance by lot in Shiloh before the Lord at the door of the tabernacle of the congregation. So they made an end of dividing the country. The word dividing happened up a lot of them. And then Joshua 24:12, and I sent the hornet, that's my little hornet right there, before you, which drove them before you, even the 2 kings of the Amorites, but not with thy sword, nor with thy bow. That's my little bow. Joshua 24:12. And now we got Judges 1:6. But Adonai-Bezek fled, and they pursued after him and caught him and cut off his thumbs and his great toes. Then Judges 7:16, and he divided the 3 100 men into 3 companies, and he put a trumpet in every man's hand, and empty pitchers and lamps put in the pitchers. The pitcher, excuse me. And so that is what I did for this week. I will have a picture up on my page, hzscribe, so you can see a little bit better in detail. I do thank you so much for taking the time to stop by to see what I did this week. And guess what? More importantly than what I did is I pray that you were in your word. So I dare you to read your word. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.